The worried marketers, the three marketers which we had a conversation about, what would be the advice which we would be giving it to them? So the three marketers, just a quick recap. One, the traffic has become stagnant. The second marketer has a problem which was conversion rate was very low, and the third one was that the return customers were not enough. So this is a very basic exercise when it comes to about integrated digital marketing. Let's say if your traffic has become stagnant using SEO, you need to go ahead and start putting in more channels into the picture. Could be social media, could be email marketing, could be anything else. Number two, if the conversion rate was very low, then you have to again integrate multiple channels so that your all of the channels combined provide a better conversion rate to you. And whenever you're talking about return customers are not enough, then in that particular case, I believe they are not doing the email marketing properly. Because if somebody is buying from your website, I'm assuming that they are giving you their